Hey guys, Ben again here at Cooper and Bimmer Experts in Irwindale, California. Today I want to show you how to properly check your oil on a Mini Cooper. This dipstick is almost impossible to read, and right now we have one here that it's showing bone dry on the dipstick. The first thing we're going to do, pull it out, clean it off, stick it back in. Pull it back out, and we'll see here, from here to there is 1 quart that textured, and it's actually dry all the way to the tip. But if you spin it around, it looks like, oh, there's oil at the top there and only on that side. So this is actually probably 3 quarts low. What I like to do is orientate myself to the car, speaking north, south, west, and east. And what it does, it'll go down and scrape the north and south side and give you a false reading. So the readings you want to see are going to be on the east and west side. So even with the bumper. This one's either 2.5 to 3 quarts low. We're going to start putting in a quart at a time and then measuring it up. At least 2 quarts in, because I know it's at least that. Typically you want to check your oil every 1,000 miles. You're at the gas station filling up anyway. Just pop the hood and do this really quick. So now we see right there on the dipstick, you twist it all the way around and it's measuring right there. So we're probably another 3/4 of a quart low. I'm just going to add another quart because it's going to burn off anyway. I prefer to use the BMW oil. I've seen it on my own cars. Worked amazing. So that's all I use here at my shop. And now you see that it's wet all the way around when you spin it. Now it's full of oil. You don't want to just throw in a quart every 1,000 miles because some burn more than that. I've seen people do that and it's burning more than a quart every 1,000 miles and then they're still low. I've seen the opposite where people throw a quart in every 1,000 miles and then it gets overfilled. And eventually the car has 10 quarts of oil in the engine and it runs like garbage. So I've also seen that the oil filler cap can be put in incorrectly, upside down or backwards. So you want to have it at 12 o'clock and then spin it to 3 o'clock, and that's the proper installation for the oil filler cap. Another thing you want to check, you're under the hood anyway, you want to make sure that your coolant level is up to the right level. So how you can do it is just put the cap on, shake it, you see it flopping around in there. Ideally, you want it right around this seam. If you get it and the car is hot, it's under pressure, it's pushing the coolant level down. So the best time to check is first thing in the morning. Just come out and see where it's at. Ideally, it's right where that seam is, okay? So that's our quick tech tip for today, how to check your oil. Thanks, we'll see you next time. And as always, thank you for watching. Check out our other videos. And if you have any questions about Mini Coopers or BMWs, ask in the comments below.